is a wonderful day. This is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and we'll be glad in it. I just want to say thank you to you all for honoring Dr. Chioma Okechukwu and purchasing her book. Now it's the time for you to dive in and read the book, digest it, and give her that review that is next. Let her also know how you enjoyed the book as well. But how do you get the book after you have paid? I'm going to take you through a session, a demo, and it's going to be hands-on. So as you're watching this demo video, I encourage you to also do it on your browser as well. So here we go. I will be sharing my screen right now. And once you see it, let me know. You do. All right. Thank you so much for all those who confirmed that they see my screen. All right. So you go into your browser. It could be Internet Explorer. It could be Chrome. It could be Firefox. Whatever is most convenient for you. Today, I'll be using the Internet Explorer. So the link to the seller account is selar.co/m. So that's her seller account, -Chioma Okechukwu 1. So seller.co with the /m/Chioma Okechukwu 1. Once you put in that link, you press enter and it takes you to her book. So this is the book. You have already made the payment, so you will not need to make the payment again, but it doesn't know that you have made the payment. So what you need to do is you need to go into your seller account so that it links up and it syncs that you are the one who has made that payment. So how do you do that? You log into your accounts. All right. I'm going to log out first so that you see how to log in. Okay, so now I'm logged out. So you log in. I logged in using my Google account, so I'm just going to do that as well. This is me. I click on it. Once I'm done, I see the book here and it shows how much I have paid for the book and the date in which I paid and the time I made that payment. If I want a receipt, this is how I view my receipt, but that's not the purpose for now. The purpose for now is to get the ebook. So you click on this hyperlink where it says product, click on the hyperlink, and then it shows you the book. And then here is where you leave a review after you have read the book. And here, read online is where you go into the book to start reading the book. So I'm clicking on it now and voila, I have the book open. It tells me that I am on page 1 out of 100. The way to navigate is just to use the front arrow to move forward, like you can see, and it flips over. It's so nice and it's so easy to read. It's very user-friendly. So you click flipping. If you want to go back as well, you click the back arrow and you can flip forward, backwards. When you're done with the book, please remember to leave a review. She would like to know how you enjoyed the book. All right, so that will be all for now. If you have any questions with regards to your access, or maybe you cannot remember how you logged in when you were making the payment, please reach out to her, or you can go into your inbox to check. They likely have sent you an email. So go into the inbox of your different mail emails, and you will see the email from seller confirming your payment, and then you use that email to log in. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. And thank you so much for honoring our sister, Dr. Chioma Okechukwu. Peace out.